Before running a single ads, I always spy on my competitors. Because why reinvent the wheel when you have already modeled something that is already working, and working mean they have already making money or spending lot of money to making money. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can find exact ad that you can or that making your computer money. And the best part, you can run the same ads with the some tweaking. And the best part, you don't need any huge money for testing or anything. We already use those ads who are already working. It's guaranteed working. Okay. So let's start. In this video, we will be dive deep. So let me show my screen. I have my favorite free tool. It's called Facebook Ad Library, where we can spy any of your computer who are already running it. So just search Google Facebook Ads Library or Meta Ad Library. You can find that. After that, you just scroll down, and here you can see you need to first select your country, which country you are seeing your ads. First, we have India. Second, category, you can select all. After that, you can type your competitor direct name, which have their own Facebook pages, or you can type some keyword. So for just example purposes, interior designer, okay, or interior design, for example. Now you can see all of the interior design ads. So if I scroll down, you can see this video, these videos, and there is a lot. Here is the first option. Here you can see all of the ads. But for now, you need to have a look. So when they run these ads, so started running on 23 October 2025. Okay, I think 1 hour ago they just light their ads. Okay, it's first, second is 23rd October, 23rd. So there is might be recent ad, but for now we are finding winning ads, making just like we need more and more old ads which are already working. So you can go just search on this and you can find some inspiration, but these ads are not our work. So that's why we need more and more old ad which is already running or active. So that's how you can find brands who are already running ads since 1 year, since 6 years, since 3 months. They are spending money because they are find their ROI or they are profitable. That's why. Na? So that's why we need to go this filter tab, and where just scroll down and we just select the date. So for now, we just find people who are running it since 1 August. Okay. And just hit apply. Now you can see the real magic and the real power of ad library. Here you can see this ads is already working since 1 October. Okay, that's mean this ads is working. So now we need to find out why this ads is working. First, there is a different option. For now, we just see their ad copy and their creatives. But there is more than that. We need to think about what the hook they are using, what the offer they are using, what the creative they are using. So here you can find your computer pattern, why these ads are working. And if I just scroll down, there you can see more and more ads. There is running till I think 31 July, I think, probably. Okay. And you can see lot of ads that is we call winning ads. So before, like, which ads which almost 3 months a children, like, means it's almost active from 3 months. This ads is already making money. Okay, that's why we need to figure out this ads is working. Now we need to copy those ads simply. And copies doesn't mean that just download their creative or just copy paste. It's your own tone. So for example, here you can see this ad is working. For now, you can see they pitch this type of thing. So now it's according to your offer, according to your deliverables, according to your offer, and you can create
Master
videos.
bedroom.
You can create your own ads. Okay, they're simple. And if you type more and more things, for example, gym, if I type gym membership, you can see we can find gym membership. So, for example, you are a gym or real estate agent or e-com brand, whatever you think, just type or type your computer direct name. And here you can see this ad is recently starting. So we need just go filter and we just Go for just I think it's probably 1 April. So you just think about that. We copy those ads who are already working since like 3 months, or it's more than that. It's better. So now you can see Anytime Fitness. Here you can see their creative, their copy, and their offer. So you just copy it according to your business. It's 100% working because we tested out thousand and thousand things. Okay, and there is lot of more. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful. If you need more this type of unfiltered video, you can comment us. Or for now, I have a one thing I'm just forget it. So for example, you can just see their computer. Now we need to run ads now. So that's why we built a tool called GrowTake AI. And in the I button or in the last of this video, I will share the video link where you can see how you can create those winning ads using AI in just few minutes. And just like 2 minutes, you can run Google and Meta ads using AI. So just watch this video or you can try this. I will share on this description. Otherwise, I hope this if this video is helpful for you, just hit a like or comment whatever you think on behalf of your feedback on this video. And I hope we can see you soon. Thank you. Bye.